Preparing the transom, filling all these holes. Gonna get that all filled up and repaired. That's the first step here. Step 2 is done. I used thickened epoxy wet system 610. I filled the holes about halfway. Can't fill them up in one shot. The resin will overheat and not dry right, so you got to do about a ½ inch at a time. So first step is done. We'll have to prep it up and then fill up the rest of it either tomorrow or the next day. Stay tuned. Filled all the holes completely with the thickened epoxy wet system 610. Gotta let that cure up. Stay tuned.